The topic for my thesis project is Community Development Center in Shram Vihar, a stepping stone. The urban poor have been seeking employment in various parts of the country due to the apparent economic structure. This has led to the growth of unorganized and uncertain occupations accompanied with low skills and even lower incomes. These migrated settlements exist in our urban fabric for decades. The site. The site is located in Shram Vihar, New Delhi, India, and the site area is 5.3 acres. The catchment area in Shram Vihar consists of migrant settlements from Bihar, UP, Jharkhand, and refugee settlements from Burma that have been residing in Shram Vihar for over 2 decades now. There are more than 400 families living in Shram Vihar area. Most of the women are either domestic workers or housewives, and most of these families don't have an option to go back, and at the same time they face isolation with no sense of belongingness. These are pictures from the site and towards the site. The first picture is showing the access road which leads to the site, and the pictures on the bottom are pictures that show the front side of the site, the view that you get from the front side of the site, and the rear. Now, the reason why I've selected this site is as it is surrounded with migrant communities, refugee communities, and slum settlements as well. This picture shows their state and quality of life. The challenges, the major challenges of this thesis project were that there is little to no interaction between the local and these communities. The second challenge is that the youth of these communities feel isolated and alienated in the local schools. So to incorporate these solutions to these two issues were the major challenges. Design development. The stage one of designing was to designate the site into two separate zones, the Learning Center and the Skill Development Center. In the second stage of designing, the recreational zone of the Learning Center was made as the focal point, acting as a magnet for the users, which are the students, and the Development Center was divided into a public zone and a private zone for the workshop. The third stage of development was brought about by introducing public plaza in the skill center zone and by grouping the various blocks of the secondary level learning center. The final stage of the design is brought about by placing courtyards for each block of the learning center as a dynamic spill-out space. The concept of art lane is that the art lane is a metaphorical representation of nostalgia and growth. The youth of these communities were raised in such narrow lanes, so the art lane is nostalgic as it has incorporated the lanes and futuristic as it has planned spaces around it for the development and growth. Now the design layouts. This is the site plan. The site plan is showing the division of the two zones, the Learning Center and the Skill Development Center. This is the Skill Development Center and this is the Learning Center. These are few other plans. These are the floor plans of the school, the first floor plan and the second floor plan. This is the first floor plan of the Skill Center. These are few sections and narrations that explain my project. The center, in conclusion, I would like to say is that as it acts as a catalyst for the integration of these communities with locals and provides a platform for the communities to develop their skills and earn a livelihood out of it. The project falls under the National Skills Development Corporation, which funds and manages vocational training centers all over India. To strengthen the economy of a place, it is important to empower the neglected and alienated communities of that region. My thesis design includes a built environment that provides the end users a starting point and a stepping stone for the betterment of their quality of lives and gives them a platform to outgrow and explore their potential.